All right, let's talk about finding the perimeter of composite figures again. So once again, like I mentioned, perimeter is the distance around a figure. And what we need to know about perimeter is we need to know, the properties of the shapes that we're looking for. So in this case, we know the distance around this part of the triangle, that's 8 feet. We also know the distance around this part of it, which is 6 feet. So that gives us part of what we know. If I really wanted to, I could start off with 8 plus 6, which gives me 14, and that's going to give me that red part. Now I need to think about what we don't know. We don't know this blue part. And I could see that right here, this figure is a semicircle. That means half of a circle. So if we know how to find the perimeter of a circle, which is called circumference, then from there we can go ahead and solve what the distance is. So circumference of a circle, that tells us a whole circle, right? And that is equivalent, the way we find that is pi times diameter. Remember, the diameter is the distance across the circle. So in this case, we know the diameter is 10 feet. So we can find the circumference of the circle. We would just do pi, which is 3.14, times 10, and that would give us 31.4. Now, is that our answer? Think to yourself, is that what we need? That would have been the distance around this whole circle, right? But do we need the distance around this whole circle? We have a semicircle, which is half of a circle. So we only want half of the distance. So if we have the full distance and we only want half, how are we going to get that? Divide by 2, right? We would take 31.4 and we would divide by 2. And that would give us 15.7. Now we know the distance around this part and around this part, and we just want to put those together. So we're going to do 14 plus 15.7. That's going to give us our solution. So when we do that math, we get 29.7 feet, and that is the perimeter of this figure. Hope that helps you.